Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, olive color, black color, purple color, violet color, brown color, light green color, gray color, red color, yellow color, lime color, pink color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for arrow. A for animals. B for bus. B for butterfly. C for candy. C for caramel. D for dress. D for door. E for elephant. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fox. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-W. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.